Gin girl
Whoa.
Cái hạt đầu tôi nào nói. Danny.
Olha que eu tenho.
Happy birthday, Nana. Wish you guapo for me. Wish you happy birthday, guapo too. Choo!
Oi.
Que pagkamana to ya ho Fanau we mo to bini hada toro. Flora tau we. One. Come.
Oh, what?
Kaya. Or fat tiga koi ma first wall. Missy. Mo Fanau. Tedel. John mo to Fanau. Jadi ka koi ma Hayden to Fanau. Oi doutor, ya tu lagi apa? Gua que vai tau. Tau longa que lá também matou fine. Kue, era com fito com furo que hanai porque on fuma.
Kiva.
On fuma here tau.
Yeah.
One away from 70. Your nana is 69 years old today.
69?
Yes.
Oh, that's,
One more year next year she'll be 70.
oh, that's good for her.
Ay,
Yeah, but you did like...
you need to go and book them now. Kaheki ke ia hapa hana. Taki mai. Hoa ki mai no sino mo. Fitu e tama le Fanau.
Stop here.
Tama le Sandy. Te ho he fo ke a koi ma heiten. Longa fo ke tau mo ko puno ko Fanau e utol. Koe tahane mena ni ki seo koe maro hana sino he naka i inu kawa tunga whauru te tau. Ngaro ko ke hana mutu he kai tahi we. A mea ne te whakaniwe. Ora whātika tōru mā tino sikoe ko sifa mi whānau wa hoko mai. Aia koe ka mata ne whai tau tōru ke mena ne ki pūri e pō. Ai te whaitala loa ke whakamina mai nei a hana mui. E aangi whaki longa tau tau. Le mumui mai mua ke hana mui. Pia ni ka tau tau osi ki a harafa mai e ka tau tōru. Humari e te mana kai. Kai ma whora fia. Ko mamihewe hana ingo tau. Whakawilahi.
Hello. One.
Yo men hai kai mati bige family na kai kai ko ta te hala lima.
Ai ko bukai ka? Ah.
Okay, sorry.
Use that one.
So kalau here tu ko mai ke protokol itu tu ya pia. It's just a normal get together. This is quite good. So it's a sharing. Mai ke protokol lo tu ha tu ngai pemahaman kita faham tu lai kas movies. Hiniga ka Hayden ha Fanau, hiniga ka ma John, ha Fanau, Sifa, Eden, mo Flora, mo Von, ka wela hin ko fluid he afiafi. Oe ma venya foki he palolo ka he driver ka tahne men ha ma metti ko empty tu mai bensin, ma tu mai bensin he driver. Mi tai he driver ko clear ni. Ayo ko wela thank you ma ven home. Okay, Wallahi. Jackson, your turn to say something. No, okay. Danny, we're going this way.
Come on, Danny. Come on. You do it.
Come on, Danny. You can believe in
Happy
her.
birthday. This is your grandpa for me, but wish you happy birthday. Come over.
Thank you, Vita.
Thank you, Rita.
Get out and say something, man. Yeah, let's go.
Okay, we're going round.
John.
Happy birthday, Flora and Grandma. I hope you enjoy a special day when you're Fanau.
Woohoo! Yay! Come on, miss.
Morine ako Fanau hamo madau birthday girls. Pakawe ke madau nei. Ode atua ke ne vek tu maua mua. And God bless.
Gus.
Hello.
Come on, guys.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Woo! Yeah, happy birthday weekend.
Just.
Yeah, happy birthday, Molly. Happy birthday, Flora. Have a good day.
Wow.
Thank
God
you.
bless.
Wow. What?
Oh my God.
Indy's very high. Come here.
Fito, fala, fala, fito, fala. Fito, mo fala. Fa. Onina ha ho, na ha ma leko. Hope all your dreams come true, one by one. Enjoy your life.
Yep.
Yeah. And happy birthday to you too, Flora. Come on, Flora.
Take me on a break.
O mai a totol ke kai ko ta de honalima because the food will be cold.
Yeah.
Cold. You said
My
cold?
stomachs are hungry.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, let's say a prayer.
Dad.
Koe tō na koe hae la ni whakaue ke he whiawhinei ko whanatahe mai tōru ke kaina nei me whila ke whakamana tō e ono frumahiwe tō tō rongo ko whakange koe mai tō whine ko mauri mai ki nei whakaue ke tō ronga ia whakange ke ia roto matala mani tō tōnu mo e roto matala ke hana taunga hua mo e hana mga whaoa katoa mai ki nei ki taki mai mo tōros. Kore tuai tu mina nei hao he ngō tāpu mai vehe mui murina mama whora. Kore tuai. Amen.
Amen.
Hello, bro.
Oh, here's the chili. If you want chili in the raw fish, I didn't put any chili. Chili. That's a good case.
What am I looking? What do you want? You're the host, eh?
I'm the cook, so I stay here and watch.
Eugene girl,
Go away, John. Ke kalahimu. Koe kahimu mai Tonga. This is from all the way from Tonga. It's nice and fresh. Thank you to John's friend.
one final tip. She's failed twice.
If you're looking for tents, he hires out tents as well. Yeah, marquees.
Okay.
What's the handle?
Ooh, look at that. Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Thank
Oi.
you.
Go boy.
Lucky for free. Whoa. Hey.
Yummy.
We never asked.
Happy birthday, Nana. Monsieur, happy birthday. God bless you. Awesome day. Listen to Grandpa. Just to say, yep, been cool.
Hold it.
Good.
Nice and fresh, eh?
That's
Yeah.
massive.
And we were all supposed to eat together.
Look. Ai, kalihim mai Tonga. Ka bai bai he bakalele ni. Ga we ke feng ha
We
mo
were worried about it. Something might happen. You might get hurt.
Yeah.
First, you got laughing.
Come here.
Hey, yeah. Sorry. Thank you.
Come in.
What are students on me, Nat?
Hey, Sandy. Whakaala whaka.
Go to. Good.
Bryson. Kingston. Oh, sorry.
Just doing Kingston.
Nice.
Rolling
Oh, really Kingston.
It's rolling. Picture me rolling.
Rolling in there.
Ooh. The family. Finally, you can come in here.
Hey, hello, what down people? Just what Hannah there.
Leni hangaman. Oi mabehe hane fai. Whanu koi mamonu ina no fo mamonu ina. Luke pelebenia. Peleni hangaman. Oi mabehe hane fai. Whanu koi mamonu ina no fo mamonu ina. Pelebenia.
Mix with the what's it? Hey, it's the special. Hey,
Good, nice.
There's another research for birthday cakes in here. Birthday cakes. Getting toast, Papa's toasting.
no, just one.
Go. Go, Bob. Shoo. To you. Happy birthday, dear Flora. And Flora. Happy birthday to you.
I wish everybody a prosperous 2023. God bless all of you.
Thank you.
Okay, and you too, Flora. And I know your grandmother Mama's birthday was on the 1st of May. Then James, then us.
Now blow the candles. Count to 3. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Flora. God bless you. Man, I'm sorry.
Happy birthday, Nana. Happy birthday, Flora. God bless.